Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Fun TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another beautiful episode for you guys, and we have again and lots of things for you guys. All things are covered in the mud, and that is the format that we will watch them and we will let you know the names and the best available possible videos for you guys. So this is some face, and let's collect all the things from this tray now, and let's move to washing area. So this one is the big sniper gun, we have big knife, we have this dinosaur, and we have this small TT pistol. This one is a tiger face, and this one is a construction machine, and this one is a big farm animal sheep. And we are collecting these cars and these construction road roller, and this one is crocodile and an army man. And we have all the things collected, so let's go to the washing area. Here we are. Let's start washing. You can see my hands are dirty, and let's make it wash. Here we go. Let's wash. Yalla. Here we go, we have AK-47, the sniper rifle, world famous. Here we go, wow, bang bang, AK-47. Let's check out the next sniper gun. Let's wash him, let's wash, yalla. Here we go, we have A-15, American made beautiful sniper gun, wow. Bang bang, here we go. And the next one we have a big farm animal. Let's wash him, let's wash. Here we go, we have a sheep. That's a big, beautiful farm animal sheep.
It's showtime.
And the next one, we have a construction machine. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a front loader. Wow, that's a big construction machine. Awesome. Let's check out the next one, and we have a tiger face. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla. Here we go. Tiger. The big wild African cat is here. Tiger face. Here we go.
Titus the tiger.
And the next one we have a sea animal. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a dolphin. Dolphin is a lovely sea animal.
Click, 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 click. I'm a dolphin singing in the sea.
And the next one is a knife. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a big sharp knife. Wow. Enjoy the video, guys. Let's wash, and here we go. We have Ostrosaurus, the big neck, big tail dinosaur. Ostrosaurus.
A herd of Apatosaurus are crashing through the outer forest, looking for new plant growth.
And the next one, we have an army man. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have an army man with a full waist. Wow, that's cool. And the next one we have construction machine. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a road roller. Wow, that is awesome. In the next one we have a pocket gun. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. We have a 30mm TT pistol. Wow. Bang bang. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have a crocodile. That's a wild animal. Here we go. Crocodile. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have a car. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla. Here we go. We have a Lightning McQueen car.
Checkered flag, here I come. Oh no! McQueen has blown a tire! And with only one turn to go.
And in last we have a lizard. Lizard is basically a reptile, and here we go. We have a lizard. So this is it from today. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye bye.